News in Smith County this morning. 3 coronavirus cases have been confirmed in Tyler. 1 is said to be in serious condition. That makes 4 cases in East Texas in total, including Gregg County. This announcement comes just 2 days after the World Health Organization declared the coronavirus a global pandemic. KETK's Annalise Coble joins us now with the latest developments in Tyler. Good morning, Annalise.
Cynthia, we heard from UT Health, Net Health, and Christus, and they did confirm that there are now 3 confirmed cases in Smith County. Now, they were able to tell us that they have tested 20 to 25 people in the Tyler lab, and out of those tests, only 3 of those were positive, and they were all from Smith County. They weren't able to tell us very much about them due to privacy laws, but they were able to tell us that those 3 people do have international travel history, and so most likely the virus was not contracted in Texas. They weren't able to give us any details other than 2 of the cases are connected in some way, and one of the people who is sick is not in great shape. I don't know what the correct word I need to say there is, but he's not I don't know if it's a he, I'm sorry. That person is not doing very well. So that's about all we know right now. They all are under some sort of medical monitoring. So I'm going to let you hear from some of them.
Infection prevention is something we do every day in our hospitals and clinics.
I had a blank there
to ensure that our patients are safe when they enter our facilities. Whether it's having to do with influenza, simple coughs and colds, infection prevention is something that's standard practice for us, and COVID-19 does not change that.
We did find out that the contraction rate for this, not contraction rate, but people do start to show symptoms somewhere between 2 to 14 days. So these people, they're not 100% sure how long they've been back from their international travel, but we're hoping that we'll have a little bit more information for you in later shows. So definitely check back with us at 5, 6, and 10 tonight. I'm going to go ahead and see what else I can find out for you guys. Live in Tyler, Annalise Coble, KETK.
Is this tonight? Latest information about the coronavirus. President Trump declaring a national emergency today because of the spread of that virus, and now the White House under pressure to finish an aid package created to help those suffering from the coronavirus. And there are now more than 1,300 cases across the USA, with 39 cases here in Texas, and even more positive cases are showing up in Tyler, Austin, and San Antonio. There are now 4 confirmed cases of virus in East Texas. Early this week we learned about Gregg County, and today we now know there are 3 cases in Smith County, and 1 is said to be in serious condition. KETK's Annalise Coble right now is here with us with what we know so far. Annalise.
Neil, we heard from Net Health, UT Health, and Christus Health this morning in Tyler. They say a large batch of people, about 25, were tested for the coronavirus Thursday. The lab here in Tyler was able to confirm 3 of those swabbed did test positive. Due to privacy laws, we were not told the ages or genders of those affected, but we do know they all had recently traveled internationally, meaning they likely contracted the virus outside of the states. 2 of the people are connected in some way, and 1 is currently in serious condition. All 3 are under medical monitoring by local health officials. They are encouraging everyone to practice social distancing to keep community spread to a minimum.
It is not pandemic panic for you to isolate yourself or to reduce the amount of exposure in your community. It's a wise decision, and it, quite frankly, is the only one left to us once community transmission begins. So when you see officials closing events or services, understand that is aggressive means of managing this disease and the spread of this virus.
They are still investigating the cases to find out who else may have been affected. UT Health and Christus Health say they have protocols in place to keep both patients and medical personnel safe as we deal with the nationwide outbreak. In studio, Annalise Coble, KETK News.